Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a Diwali lantern.
We'll require some color papers, we'll require some transparent paper, we'll require some thread and some shining tape. So let's go ahead and do it. So what we are going to do is, first, if we see, we have two color papers. I took in green and I took in pink. So what we are going to do is, we are going to fold this and attach it here. Now to attach this, what we are going to, before we attach, what we are going to do is, we are going to cut. We are going to take the measurement of this paper and we are going to cut across the two lines. So let me go ahead and cut them. So after cutting these two lines, what we are going to do is, we are going to go ahead and attach pink to the green and green to the pink. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and attach these two pages together. Okay. We went ahead and we cut the two papers diagonally and we attached both the papers on each other. Like the pink we went with green and green we went with pink. So what we are going to do is, now we are going to go ahead and fold this paper into two halves. Now what we are going to do is, fold this too, and what we are going to do is, we are going to go ahead and leave a centimeter of line from above, a centimeter of line above, and we are going to make a line. So we have taken a 1 centimeter of line we have taken a 1 centimeter of line above, and what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and cut this. You see that we have cut this into a half a centimeter of lines till the line that we have marked. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take the base page and we are going to make some patterns inside this page as we had done for the last one. So first thing what we do is we mark around a centimeter of line on both sides. We mark a centimeter of lines on both sides. Also we go ahead and we mark some around 1 centimeter of lines at the top. Okay, now let's go and make some patterns. Now for this what I'm going to do is I'm going to just mark some circles and cut some circles randomly. That is done. We are going to go ahead and attach some of the transparent paper behind the let's attach some of the transparent paper behind the page. Now that we have attached the transparent paper behind, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and attach this here. Now if you see, both the papers are of the same size, but when you are attaching it, you are going to attach this below the line that you have marked. So let's go ahead and attach this here. Let's attach it on the other side also. Okay. Now if you see that while attaching this, we left a centimeter of line from both sides. Now let's go ahead and attach it across. Let's go ahead and put this together. Now that you see our lantern is ready, what we are going to do is we are going to attach some of the strings below it. Now to make the strings, what we do is we take some paper, the same color paper, and what we do is we fold it around a half a centimeter of lines. We are going to fold it together this way. You are going to fold it this way till the end, and then we are going to cut on this line. So let's go ahead and cut some of these strips. Now we have some of the strips ready. So what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and attach them. Now to attach them, what we are going to do is we are going to put some glue. We are going to attach them. Now that we have all our strips in place, we are going to go ahead and put, again take the, we are again going to take the punch, and we punched it both sides, and we are going to go ahead and attach the thread. Now if you see, our lantern is pretty much ready. Now what we are going to do is leave it as it is, or you can add some of the details on it. So here I have a red tape. So let me just put it. Now, if you see, I have put a red tape over here. You can even use the silver one as you wish. I just put another color so that it is a contrast color. So let's go and see how our lantern looks.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.